Girls, we still have one more dish to make.
And we thought we'd make you something you've never tried before.
It's sort of a mashup of our 4 cuisines, but there's still the old school turkey in the mix.
But not just any regular turkey, like a turkey breast stuffed.
Stuffed with water chestnuts, chorizo, and shiitake mushrooms.
And some lemongrass from Thailand.
We had this turkey breast marinating overnight on a flavorful brine. Now, a quick butterfly, because we want to flatten it out to stuff all that goodness.
And turkey breast is really lean, so we've plumped it up by brining it in water with a bay leaf, some peppercorn, and a cinnamon stick.
But the most important ingredients in a brine are ones you cannot see, salt and sugar. But in our case, we're using fish sauce and soy sauce.
And a brine is perfect for any meat that you have at home that you want to add a bunch of flavor and moisture to. We're making like a little turkey remix. Has a little bit of everyone in there. A little one world kitchen flavor.
Just like smoked chorizo, like my grandma Pepe used to make.
Ladies, it all starts off with a little extra virgin olive oil. Let's get this ready. I love Christmas time because it's all about cooking with family and friends.
Yeah, it's been so much fun cooking with you girls. I don't know how we get anything done around here, to be honest with you.
But you know what? Whether you celebrate Christmas or not, all holidays are about getting together with your family and friends and having a great time.
And on that note, that smells amazing.
And what's a stuffing without some bread? I have some Japanese panko breadcrumbs. They're so light and fluffy, they'll just soak up all the flavors and the oils from that chorizo sausage. And because I don't want to add a hot stuffing to cold bird, I'm gonna cool it off with my Japanese fan.
And I'm adding a little extra crunch and texture with water chestnuts, which are actually not a nut, but a vegetable.
And of course, a little grassy, flat leaf parsley, my favorite, to brighten up the stuffing.
To finish it off, strips of thinly sliced prosciutto to make an outer salty and crusty crunch. Prosciutto side down, and we can start stuffing.
Where do I put this for you?
Center. We want a lot of stuffing.
And those colors.
And as that bakes in the oven, the flavor from the chorizo and the lemongrass is gonna go into the turkey. It's gonna be, so good.
A nice twist. It's kind of like a candy cane. If we keep it in the film wrap, it's gonna stay moist.
Now you can cook this all the way through right in the oven.
But today, we're gonna also put it on the grill. We're gonna finish this Argentinian style.
It smells so good. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat all of this food.